Hi, and welcome to Myself Creations. Today we are playing with our new toy that we got. We bought an xTool. It was graciously gifted to us, so I'm going to show you our first project that we're going to make on it. And it's a Christmas ornament. It says Amazing Grace, and it has the lyrics engraved in on the back. This is the inside of our xTool. These are magnets. They actually fit inside the honeycomb to help hold the wood down while it's cutting, which is super cool because it keeps it from shifting around. What you saw there was the xTool measuring out where these two are going to actually be cut out. So it was showing you where it was going to cut so you could make sure that those magnets were not in the way and to make sure you were actually on the board. Here you'll be able to see that it said it was going to take about 15 minutes to process. So I've got you on fast forward, almost 8 times fast forward here. This is the part where it's actually engraving the lyrics on the background of the ornament. The ornament is in two pieces. You have the background that has the engraving on it, and then in the foreground is where it has the thin border that goes around the outside and Amazing Grace cut out from it, and you'll see it. It's just gorgeous. So we've played on it a little bit. You can tell the honeycomb is a little darker in the background. Made just a couple of little things just to kind of get used to it and see what it was like. Had a lot of fun with this machine. I think there's a ton of potential with it. This is the 40 watt. I do have a riser base for it as well, and I see tons and tons of potential with this machine. I'm pretty nervous about using it. I was a little hesitant because I am not familiar with it at all. I know there's programming to get used to, but you know what? I did it with the Cricut. I can do it with this one as well. And here you can see it's cutting out the perimeter of our back piece, and this is where it starts to cut out the top layer. And then once this is all cut out, I take it outside and I spray painted a cappuccino colored spray paint just on the top of it. And then I'll glue the top and the bottom pieces together so that they don't come apart. And I will run something through the hole in the top of it so that you can hang it from the tree or wherever you want to hang it from. It's a really, really cute little ornament. And this machine is amazing. We were given the filter to go with it, so I don't have to worry about venting it out the windows, which is amazing. I don't have to cut a hole in my screen or anything. And here you go. You can see how they turned out. They're just gorgeous. And I'll put a video or a picture at the end of it for you as well. So thanks guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to see more videos with our xTool, please leave a comment down below, and we'll be happy to try and do those for you. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.